Welcome to Edification and Delight, Part 5 of Gatos 14, Forming the Active Citizen. Let us move on to the next 3 lessons of Gatos 14. First, taking personal responsibility for one's community. Second, gaining access to people and places. And third, establishing a personal code of behavior. These prep schools set students into the habit of assuming they will make decisions and take action in public forums. For instance, teachers may require these children to set up meetings with legislators or judges to do primary source interviews for research papers. They may make travel arrangements for field trips or develop plans for lecture series. They learn resourcefulness. Furthermore, the cultures of these schools lead students to realize their actions will grow out of the moral stance they choose to adopt. The expressed culture of the individual school, often at least nominally religious, marks the beginning of forming more precise individual codes of behavior and identity. For example, students learn the motto, "Whose service is perfect freedom," an excerpt from the Anglican Book of Common Prayer. St. Paul's motto states, "Let us learn those things on earth, the knowledge of which continues in heaven." In some cases, students decide to become villains, but they do so fully conscious of the choice. So these prep school students learn to take responsibility for their communities, how to influence people and enter the halls of power, and they develop an awareness of their own motivations and aims in exercising that power. This has been Edification and Delight. Join us next time.